Let's see Homework Tutor bring this science question to life. Upload the image, and the app will read the diagram, understand the language, and explain the cloning process in a way that is easier to follow. Use the editor to remove anything that is not relevant to the question you want to understand. Here, the student can quickly check the page, keep the diagram, and make sure the app analyses the full science passage clearly. Now click the Analyze button. The analysis starts, and we just need to wait a short time to get the analysis. The analysis is ready. The app recognizes this as a science reading task about genes, DNA, genomes, and proteins, and gives a clear summary of what the page is teaching. The solution is available in 2 languages. We start in English, and now the same solution text is about to switch into Japanese so the learner can read the same explanation in either language. You can listen to all the details in both languages.
This page explains how genetic information is organized and why it matters. Genes are parts of DNA, and DNA carries the instructions for making proteins. Proteins perform many important jobs in living things. From genes to proteins, the page shows how cellular information leads to function.
And here is the second language. The spoken voice will now match the Japanese text on screen.
このページは遺伝情報がどのように整理され、なぜ重要かを説明しています。遺伝子は DNA の一部で、DNA はタンパク質を作るための指示を運びます。タンパク質は生き物の中で多くの大切な働きをします。遺伝子からタンパク質までの流れが図とともに示されています。
What works well here is that the app does not jump straight to a short answer. It identifies the main idea, breaks the article into key points, and connects the diagram to the text. That makes it useful for students who need help understanding science vocabulary, structure, and cause and effect relationships in a passage. Further questions can be submitted using text or voice, and Professor L will answer them if the student needs more clarity or further examples. We hope you enjoyed this solution. Look out for the next installment.